Welcome, dear student. Today we shall begin with the last part of the second lesson, that is health and diseases. Misuse of medicines. Sometimes some people take the medicine without prescription of the doctor. Overdose of medicines may affect our body. Excessive overdose of painkiller may damage nervous system, excretory system, liver, etc. Overdose of antibiotic may lead to nausea, stomach ache, dysentery, rash, white patches on tongue, etc. Now, sometime what happens, student? We must realize we have body pain, we have a headache. What will we do? Without any prescription or without any consultation to the doctor, we just consume the medicine which have at the home. But consulting it excessive amount or wrong medicine without the doctor prescription in dangerous life. How it may damage a various system of our body, and hence it can be very serious to us. That is the reason we not feeling well all the way, first consult the doctor rather than taking any wrong medicine. This is the various thing we can suffer from taking overdose medicines. Generic medicine. Generic medicines are also known as general medicines. These are manufactured and distributed without any patent. These medicines are at par in quality with branded medicine. Production cost of this medicine is very low due to fewer expenses on the research, as their formula is readily available. Now, if you've seen many generic store available in everywhere or place. Now, what are the generic medicine? If we compare the normal medicine and generic medicine, composition is same. But why do we get generic medicine at low cost or price? Because the formula of making is already available, and that is why people do not have to spend lot of money on the research. That is the reason generic medicine available at the low cost. Low cost means a particular medicine available for 150 rupees in general medical store, then it may available around 50 or 60 rupees in generic medical store. So, this is the price difference, student. But medicine are same, means the composition of medicine is also same. Use of ICT. You can easily obtain the generic medicines using mobile apps like Health Card and Jana Samadhan. Download those apps on your mobile and use it if necessary. Lifestyle and diseases. Lifestyle include the daily routine and the type of foods. Nowadays, habit like staying in a bed till late morning, going to bed late in night, frequent changes in meal timings, lack of physical exercise, consumption of junk food, etc. have been increased. Due to this, such a people are getting sick frequently. If frequency of becoming sick is to be lowered, people should follow right lifestyle. It must include sufficient sleep, right food. Yogasanas, pranayam, and physical exercise. Physical exercise should also be as per one's own capacity. Pranayam and yogasana should be performed under the expert supervision. See the videos of pranayam and yogasanas. Vaccination. Vaccination is important to prevent the infectious diseases. Do you know Government of India declared the Pradhan Mantri Jana Aushadhi Yojana on 1st July 2015. In this scheme, best quality medicine are made available in affordable price to the citizens. Jana Aushadhi stores are launched for this purpose. Indian companies export the generic medicines on large scale. However, those medicines are sold under the brand name with high price in India. In America, 80% medicine used are generic. Due to this, hundreds of billions of money is saved there. Let us celebrate Health Awareness Days. 7th April, World Health Day. 14 June, World Blood Donation Day. 29 September, World Heart Day. 14th November, World Diabetes Day. Blood donation. 1 unit blood donated by a person can fulfill the need of 3 persons at a time. For example, RBCs, WBCs, and platelets. One can save the life of 12 persons by donating the blood for 4 times a year. Which means, student, if we donate blood just 4 times in a year, you can save the 12 person's life. Such a good thing done by us. So, when you all grow up, see to that all become good citizens and donate the blood to help others and save life. Thank you.